All right, it's Monday, August 14th. I'm buying some Broadcom AVGO here at 842.07. This is on the opening price action where the first bar went up on the 15-minute chart pretty strongly. We've been pausing for 3 bars and now starting up again. So I'm going to buy it here, looking for kind of a directional push on the day. Midpoint of this first bar is my stop. What you have here on the daily chart is a 2-up day unfolding, and it kind of worked up there, didn't really reject this area and come back down. It's kind of holding, so it looks like, we might have a nice green day to the upside here. The next target, if we're going to broaden out a little bit, is up here in the 862 area. In the big picture, this is a big uptrend stock that had a pretty sharp pullback. So on one hand, I know this weekly chart read you expect those lows to be tested. We might want to go up for a day or two first before coming down, or it could just be a thing where, we kind of eat our way up to this red bar, close on an inside bar this week, and then maybe start up next week if the uptrends are going to continue. It's hard to say. Given this opening price action, it looks like we want to kind of work up towards the midpoint of that bar. In the bigger picture, until we really resolve this weekly chart to the upside, it's hard to say, and I can still see some kind of failure developing where we want to come down and test those lows by, this is just the first day of the week here, starting a little green. But given this opening price action, it seems like it wants to at least make another push up a little bit for a day trade here. Next target, you can see some liquidity areas up here and here. We want to see if we can get up into this gap up in here, which is, kind of the next target overall. But that still doesn't reach the midpoint of the prior week. So we'll just see if we get a little bit of a kind of push up today. That's kind of what's unfolding here in the morning. And from there, we'll kind of see how the daily bar closes, and if maybe it's the start of some kind of reversal. But it could easily fail in this area and start back lower, and maybe even this trade won't, materialize too much. In that case, you can just get right out, and then, you can feel comfortable that you're taking out the lows of that week at some point going forward. So let's see what happens. This opening, price action seems to point a little higher here in the short run. So that's kind of all I'm trying to take advantage of right now.